Hi, today we will be working on this painting. Here is what you will need. A pencil and a kneaded eraser, a set of semi-moist watercolor paints, and a set of washable watercolor paints. A number 6 round watercolor brush, and a 3/4 inch flat watercolor brush. A sponge, three containers of water, a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of watercolor paper. The picture of parrots available for printing on this website. Palettes. You can print the picture or blow it up to fit your page. Begin by drawing the picture. Here is a picture I have already drawn, and right now I am preparing my paints. I'm dabbing water on them. I don't want to do it to brown or black though. Once you have drawn the picture, begin by brushing water on the page in order to create a wash-like effect. Repeat on the back and go over the front again. Here is the example. Apply an undercoat of yellow paint to the areas you want to paint yellow. I have one that I did previously. Notice how there are yellow splotches at the top. That is part of the background. I did that by applying strokes of yellow washable paint to the paper. Next, apply an undercoat of blue paint. I'll put this away for now and begin the next step using a picture I have already made. Be sure to add splotches to the background using blue washable paint. The next step is to apply the red undercoat. Again, don't forget to apply the splotches to the background with red washable paint.